how to limit battery charge to 80% on an Acer Nitro laptop. This tutorial shows you how to enable the built-in charge limiter to protect your battery's lifespan. First, click the Start button. Type NitroSense and open it. From there, click Settings or Personal Settings. At this point, click Battery and Charge. In the next step, find Battery Charge Mode. Following this, select Optimized Battery Charging. Keep in mind, if NitroSense isn't installed, open Care Center instead. Click Checkup, then look for Battery Health, since not all Nitro models support this feature. Finally, unplug and check your battery percentage over the next charge cycle to confirm it stops at 80%. And that's it. If this guide helped you limit battery charge to 80% on your Acer Nitro laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.